What's up, everybody? This is Brian with Badass American Muscle, and today you're checking out my 1967 Mustang Fastback. This is an original GTA 390. The original color is Acapulco Blue with black interior. I mean, this car is super solid. It's already been blasted. It's got a brand new complete one-piece floor, new torque boxes. I mean, there's still some dents and dings and stuff like that in the car that needs to be dealt with, but it's a super solid car. They blasted it. They did a lot of stuff. They replaced the quarter. The cow's all new. Lots of good stuff. This is the original quarter here. They started doing some body work to it, trying to save it. And then back here, let's see. A little bit of surface rust back here. Nothing really too worrisome. It's got a rebuilt rear end. 4-wheel disc brakes, which is pretty sweet for this car. Put the aftermarket rear valance of what would have came with it for the dual exhaust. This is the quarter that's been replaced here. But yeah, it needs a complete interior kit. But the cool thing is with these cars, you can order anything and everything out of the magazine. They make everything, which is super cool. At least with this car, you're starting off with a super solid car. And then here we have a correct date coded motor, surprisingly, for this car. So in 1967, these motors were not VIN stamped. They were date coded. And this motor falls right in line when this GTA was produced. So this 390 has aluminum heads. It has the Edelbrock performance package. Came with aluminum heads, intake, cam. I mean, all that stuff. It's got a new master cylinder, brake booster. Haven't tried firing this motor up. It ran about 2 years ago when it got pulled when I bought it from a gentleman. Also has a C6 transmission that has a, medium size shift kit. Nothing too radical, but man, I would love to drive this car with this motor. This would be a potent little motor. So, but yeah, if you like more stuff like this, follow our page. This one here, not going to do too much more with. Probably going to find a new home. Got another car I'm trying to buy. So this one here I've owned for a long time, but I'm thinking of letting her go to a new home. So if you got any questions or interested or whatever, just let me know. Send me a message. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Have a good day.